First pass completed. This detacher is a beast. The darker areas are where I dug into the high spots. I have a lot of them. I'm very impressed even with this first pass. Let me throw you into the Star Wars mode so you can really see what it looks like. You can probably see the high and low spots better this way. Just with this first pass, you can really see the dirt being well exposed for seeding. So, the plan is to make a few more passes, rake up all the dead grass it pulls up, and see if we can get this looking smoother. I want it smooth enough that I don't need a lot of sand when the time comes. Let's get to it. Walking backwards allowed me to really knock down the high spots and pulled material towards the low spots. Look at all this dirt I was able to pull back into the low spots. This thing is a beast. It's starting to look a lot smoother, and I'm pretty excited about it. This machine is a beast, and I'm so happy I got it. I'm gonna do another pass just to see how much more smoother I can get it. So I think we're done with the dethatcher or cultivator, whatever you want to call it. So now it's going to be time to level all this dirt in the low spots. Time to give this lawn leveler a try. Was interesting. It's not as easy as it seems using this leveler. I had to push down on the end of the handle to keep the leveler from digging in. There is definitely a technique to this, but I think I got it. I'm pretty happy with the result. It also separated the dead grass, so I also need to rake that up. Alright, I'm going to finish this up and bring you back once it's all done. Check it out. It looks so much better than what I started out with. Very happy with the result. Smooth enough for government work. There are definitely some high and low spots I will address with sand, but at least it's not going to feel like I'm off-roading when I mow. That's the main objective. All that's left to do is rolling it out with the lawn roller, and it's off to the front. Stay tuned. If you like this video, please smash that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching, and keep on cutting.